Why was the term industrial AI coined by ARC? And how does it distinguish between general AI and AI specific to industrial applications? What was the underlying need to counter that hype around generative AI?
Well, thanks, Jim. You kind of half answered the question yourself in terms of the hype, right? The November 22 release of ChatGPT 3.5, I think it was at the time, was kind of a breakthrough or a perceived breakthrough in accuracy of large language models, and that's kind of caught the attention of the popular press. And it's driven a massive infusion of investment in the broader field of AI. But along with that, it's created a lot of confusion about which form of AI should you use to solve a particular problem. And we saw this very much in the industrial sector, where AI has been broadly applied for decades. Techniques like machine learning and neural networks and computer vision for identifying quality defects, for example, is broadly applied. And we've seen use cases like predictive maintenance and the aforementioned quality management. So it's not new to us, but it created a lot of confusion in the industrial sector. ARC was getting a lot of questions about generative AI. How do I use it? How do I apply it? And should I be applying that instead of techniques that I understand and have applied and have a high accuracy already? So we felt the need to really define industrial AI as that collection of AI tools and techniques that apply to industrial AI use cases, which by definition mean they have to be high accuracy in most cases, because the processes that they're helping provide insights on and helping people make decisions on have major health and safety implications, as well as clearly the usual business in terms of customer satisfaction and profitability. But in our sector, industrial AI, kind of hidden in that definition, and some vendors have picked up on it. We've talked a lot about the fact that AI needs to be industrial grade. The data quality needs to be there. The accuracy of the recommendations needs to be there. We need to meet strict quality, safety, security, compliance requirements in our industrial applications of AI. And so we've really used industrial AI just to remind everybody that Gen AI is just one tool in the industrial AI tool set, and that you should be picking the right AI tool and technique to develop each skill and each set of insights that you need to solve particular business problems.